Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about our factory and machinery maintenance. This helps us move products more smoothly and work more efficiently. We are focusing on setting up a soft chocolate bar and truffles manufacturing plant with the following capabilities. A medium-size factory of 120 kilograms per day with an area of 1000 to 1500 square feet. First, we start with the entry and storage of raw materials. Designate an area near the entrance for storage of raw materials for easy unloading. After that, place a tempering machine. This will melt the chocolate. Next you place the moldings machine, which is used to pour the melted chocolate mixture into the molds. Then place molds of different shapes. Then place the cooling tunnel machine. It hardens the material filled in the molds. Next place the enrobing machine. It gives a coating to the finished chocolate. Then put the packing machine. It automatically packs the prepared chocolates. Near the exit, establish an area for storage and distribution of the finished product. Use shelving units or pallets to store finished products organized for easy access and shipping. By considering all these factors, you can produce soft chocolate bar and truffles efficiently. All the best. Subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.